For sleeves designing, use organza or tissue fabric. Cut a square shape of it, fold and iron it. To design this organza fabric, I use stitching to make block designs on it using brown and pink color thread. Then I use a same color shuttle lace and stitch on the edges of it. Put this organza pattern on the sleeves and cut the sleeve fabric. Use bucram or hard paper and cut a triangular same shape of it and paste on the sleeve fabric using iron. Take extra fabric, put it beneath the sleeves and stitch near the hard paper. Cut the extra fabric. Add little cuts so that when you fold the fabric, it looks neat and fine. Now attach the organza fabric design with sleeves.